Imagine the sky exploding above you. No thunder to warn, no clouds to foretell, but in a single instant, water pours down from the heavens as if every gate in the sky has burst open at once. This is not a scene from a science fiction movie, but a real phenomenon known as a cloudburst, one of the most violent and terrifying weather events in nature. Welcome, my friends. Today we will dive together into the depths of a stunning phenomenon that turns the sky into a furious waterfall roaring down upon the earth. It is not merely heavy rain, but a sudden, intense downpour that strikes a small area of land, no more than 30 square kilometers, and often lasts less than an hour, yet it can flood small towns and reshape the landscape within minutes. Typically, rainfall of 100 millimeters or more is recorded within just 1 hour. A cloudburst occurs when immense amounts of moisture accumulate within massive clouds known as cumulonimbus clouds. There, high in the atmosphere, three silent forces combine to create the perfect storm. The first is orographic lift, which occurs especially in mountainous regions such as the Himalayas, when moist warm air is pushed upward by the mountains, often during monsoon seasons. As it rises, it cools rapidly, and the water vapor condenses into dense clouds that saturate themselves with moisture until they become unbearably heavy. Then comes the second stage, when the warm, moist air continues to rise, feeding the clouds with even more moisture until they reach their limit. And when the cloud can no longer hold its burden, the explosion happens, a sudden and massive release of all the stored water, falling violently and intensely over a specific spot on the ground, leaving behind devastating flash floods and destructive mudslides. The disaster often worsens when there are no strong winds to move the cloud, or when the weather system becomes trapped in one place due to mountainous terrain. Then, all its fury is unleashed over a narrow area, turning roads into rivers and valleys into raging floods. This rare and dangerous weather phenomenon is most frequently recorded in regions such as the Himalayas, India, and Pakistan, where cloudbursts are known to have caused numerous disasters, claiming thousands of lives. As the climate crisis intensifies, scientists warn that rising global temperatures mean more evaporation, more moisture in the atmosphere, and therefore a greater likelihood of cloudbursts that are more violent and more frequent. What was rare yesterday may become common tomorrow. This was a short journey into the heart of the furious sky, where clouds explode at the peak of its power. If you enjoyed this fascinating journey, don't forget to support us by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel, because what's coming next will be even more astonishing than you can imagine.